Hello everyone. In this days we have played several games. We saw different characteristics in games. We get a slight doubt that how these characters are animated. So in today's lecture we will see how these are designed and we will design a spaceship to get an idea about animation of 3D design. By using an extrude function we are going to design a spaceship. So for this designing we will use Maya software, which is well known platform in game designing. So let us start doing a spaceship. This is a Maya interface we can see. Now we need to go to create. We are creating a polygon primitive. In this select cube. So as we can see the cube has been appeared, but it is not it is not shaded completely. So if you want shaded you can press 5. As we can see it is shaded. Now just we need to extend its size. This is the scaling tool which is used for increasing its size. Okay, now just expand its size, and we are going to use extrude function on faces. So for this we need to select the faces. For selecting faces we need to click a right click on mouse so that we can select faces. Just drag down. Now we can see the faces have been appeared. Just go to select two faces opposite side. Alt left click in mouse is used for rotating. And there is one important thing that we can see this is a grid of x and y axis. So if we don't want to see this grid, we can remove it. Like in show we have these types of all. We can just click on grid. So we don't need any grid right now. We have selected two faces. Now the extrude function is in polygons. So as we can see there is no option of polygon above because the mode of selection is in animation mode. So we need to select it in modeling, and then we can see the options are appeared in the menu bar. So click on polygons. We can see there is an extrude function. Click on extrude. See, when we click on extrude there will be an arrow and a box. Let us see what are the uses of it also. Now just click on this arrow and drag it outside. So now we can observe that boxes are extending, means extruding. If we see it, the boxes are extruded at both faces. Because we have selected two faces, that's why it expands parallelly at both sides. So just we need to expand it for creating a spaceship thrusters. As we can see, it has expanded successfully. Let us see the uses of box, what it can be. Just click on a box and just close it. We can see that it has clubbed. Just once we can see the full shape in 3D. As we can see the shape of the cube which is extruded is a slightly downwards. So when we use a box it can be used to expand this face or club this face. Okay, this is a one interface of our spaceship body. Just it is a thrust, so just keep a slide back using arrow. Drag it backside. And now we can see it has shown a complete shape. Now there is a one part missing, that is wings. For that you need to again click on extrude. When we click on again extrude, it extrudes only the faces, not this whole part. Okay, let's see. Now click on this box. As we can see the lines are appearing, closing. At some instant of point we can extrude it. Okay, now I think this line is perfect for wings. Just again click on extrude so that only the face of the selected should be extruded. Now drag it outside using blue arrow. we can see the wings are appearing outside of it. Okay, just take it back because wings always end backside, not a parallel to the spaceship, isn't it? So as we can see, the ship has been created successfully. Now let us create the thrust which gives boost to the engine. Let us assume that this part and this part is our thrust. So to select another face, we need to click on shift and left click at the center. This will help to select multiple faces or multiple any items. As we can see, these two items have been selected. Now just click on extrude. We can see the extrude has been applied. Just club these boxes. As we can see, it has been clubbed. Again, we need to click on extrude because it is a thrust. We need to give it complete shape. Okay. Again, clicking on extrude, we can move it inside a slide by using blue arrow. We can see it has moved inside us little bit. This will be enough to look good. If we move it inside too much, it will be look so bad. No, this is our thrust engine, so we need to keep it backside. Also, we need to design it to make it more attractive. Let's extrude it. Same as it is what we have done at the front side, we need to do here also, but there is a slight modification as we can see. No, just take it up, select yellow box and blue box. As we can see, it has been appeared successfully. And again, click on extrude. Same, repeat this process same once more. Just that's enough. And click on extrude again. This time, move this face inside to it a little bit. So we need to click on green arrow and just push it. See, it hasn't pushed yet. Yes, it will be enough. Okay, we have designed the thrust to it. Now we will design a back door so that a person can enter into it. Now click on extrude, club these boxes up to the door size which we are expecting to be. Now again click on extrude because we are clicking extrude two times because to look it more attractive because a single door cannot be a box type, isn't it? So we are doing it. Just move it inside. As we can see, it has been appeared successfully. Now we have two wings, but a spaceship has another wing also at the top of it. So we need to select the top face and click on extrude. Now we need to rotate it so that we can see the top view of it. Just take this, club it, and then extrude. We are designing this in a perspective view. So we need to rotate and we can see the all sides of it. As we can see, it has expanded other faces also, so we don't want to. If any mistake happen, then you need to click on jet or control jet. It goes back where we have started it. Now click on extrude. Just expand it to top and take it a slight back, dragging it. You can see it has bent a little bit. That's enough. If we bend more, it looks so much. It doesn't look like a spaceship if we bend it so much. Now the actual face we are going to design. Select this face of spaceship, which is the main part. Click on extrude. Extrude the face outside. As we can see, the face have been extruded a little bit, and again click on extrude. See, again you need to drag blue arrow outside of it. Now, now we need to clap the two sides of it. But in this time we are not clicking any extrude. Okay, we need to do it directly. If we rotate it, we can see it has appeared a face at the start. Now our spaceship is ready. Now just we need to do it a slight modification, that is nothing but a smoothing. Smoothing is the best option in Maya so that we can change its curves and bend it. So as we can see in edit polygons, if we go, there is a smooth option. If you click on smooth option, it will not appear because you are in the mode of selected faces. So you need to select this object. Select. As we can see, it has selected the whole cube. And now go to edit polygon, click on smooth. So now as we can see, the spaceship has been created successfully. Now in our next video we will see how to apply a lattice to a spaceship created by us. And you need to save this file. While you can press it at Control S to save this file with any name which you want. Let us save it in desktop. For our next lab we will see how to apply lattice on it. So give it the name of spaceship. It saves in a binary format or ASCII format. That is our wish because the system understand binary language. So let's save it. Thank you for watching us.